Hello. Today I would like to show you how grains of different sizes can change the color of water body using rock flour and sand as examples. Rock flour refers to fine particles of rock produced by abrasion beneath a glacier. A glacier works like a bulldozer and rock grinder in one. Because rock flour is typical of glacial regions, it's also called glacial flour. Rock flour gets its name from its silt-size grains from 2 to 63 microns, which is nearly as fine as baking flour. Please compare rock flour size to sand size. Water itself absorbs yellow, orange, and red spectrum of light, giving the blue-green color. Depth of water body affects the color saturation. Shallow waters are greener, deeper, bluer. One of the main constituents that give water a color is suspended particulate matter, rock flour. Because of its size, rock flour stays suspended for a long period and colors water. The color depends on particle size that gives the blue-green hue. Suspended glacial flour scatters shorter wavelengths, blue and green, while longer ones are absorbed, resulting in the distinctive color of water. Mineral composition, which depends on the type of bedrock being ground by the glacier producing rock flour, influences the light scattering properties. For example, quartz contributes to the classic turquoise color, carbonate to mint greener one, pyroxene and magnetite mute the color toward greenish and grayish tone. Sun angle affects color intensity. Midday sun during summertime produces the most intensive color. The concentration of glacial flour, which varies seasonally with meltwater flow, strongly affects the brightness of water. As concentration increases, water becomes more opaque and milky. With really low load, the rock flour color signature disappears because there is not enough suspended material to scatter light. This is why the continued presence of glaciers is crucial in a warming climate. Generally, with a lower concentration, the water's absorption properties dominate the color. Sand originates from the weathering and erosion of rocks and is not limited to glacial activity. Sand settles easily because its grains are too large to stay suspended. Once again, look at the size. Sand affects color brightness primarily through light reflected from the bottom of the water body. Lighter sand gives brighter hue. It happens in really shallow waters that are clear for sunlight penetration, which means low in plankton, free of muddy runoff, and low in nutrients input. Thank you for watching. With geo greetings. See you next time.